Hi, this is Paul Donahue. I'm the CEO at Advanced Digital Automotive Group, a subsidiary of Advanced Digital Media Services. This is one video I've been wanting to create for a while that not one person has ever asked for because they don't know to ask for it. But it's how your website's legal pages can help protect you against lawsuits and keep your insurance rates down. You know, having a privacy policy, a disclaimer, a terms and conditions, and as of recently, an anti-discrimination policy on your website is important to protect your shop from potential lawsuits and to provide transparency to consumers. A privacy policy is a statement that explains what personal information your website collects from users and how that information is used and how it is protected. This information is typically collected through forms, cookies, and other tracking technologies. A privacy policy is important because it allows your website to comply with data protection laws such as the General Data Protection Regulation and California Consumer Privacy Act. It also lets your customers and clients know that their personal information is being handled responsibly. A disclaimer is a statement that limits your liability for the information and services provided on your website. For example, a disclaimer can state that the information on your website is provided as is and that you are not responsible for any errors or omissions. This is important because it protects you from potential lawsuits stemming from inaccuracies or mistakes on your website. Terms and conditions, also known as terms of service, are a set of rules that govern the use of your website. These rules can include restrictions on what users can do with the information on your website, limits on your liability, and requirements for users to agree before using your website. The terms of service are important because they set the rules for how your website can be used and they help protect you from potential legal issues. As of recently, an anti-discrimination policy is a statement that explains your website's stance on discrimination and harassment. This can include language describing your website's commitment to provide a safe and inclusive environment, as well as how you will handle any instances of discrimination or harassment that occur on your website. Having an anti-discrimination policy is important as it promotes a safe and inclusive environment and is also a legal requirement in many jurisdictions to prevent discrimination-based factors like race, gender, sexual orientation, and more. In summary, a privacy policy, a disclaimer, a terms and conditions, and an anti-discrimination policy are all important legal pages to have on your website as they protect your shop from potential lawsuits and provide transparency to your customers and clients. It's also important to understand that laws regarding these legal pages may be based on various jurisdictions, but these legal pages, they're not a suggestion. They're a requirement. So at Advanced Digital Automotive Group, we see a lot of websites that are devoid of one or more or even all of the required legal documents. Now, here's a fact that'll non-compliant lawsuits are up 300% year over year. So in other words, they're up 300% last year, and they're going to be up another 300% over that 300% this year. That's been going on for the last 5 years. Remember, we have more lawyers in law school than we currently have lawyers practicing now. So when they all get out of school, they're all going to want to go work for a nonprofit organization. No, they're going to want money. So if you found this video helpful, please do hit the like and subscribe button. Every single like and subscribe is detected by Google's algorithms, helping to get this information to more shop owners just like you. Plus, you'll automatically get notified of any new videos that I post. Hope you found it helpful. Have a great day.